While watching this film, I had a lingering feeling कि इस मूवी का नाम ऐसा इसलिए रखा गया है क्योंकि मूवी देखने के बाद आपको रिबाउंड की जरूरत पड़े. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Ishq Vishk Rebound. Making your protagonist a writer, especially in a film like this, is a very brave choice क्योंकि उसके लिए आपको ऐसे डायलॉग राइटर्स, ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स भी रखने पड़ेंगे जो इस assumption को एक्चुअली बैकअप कर सके. जैसे खो गए हम कहाँ में सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी का जो कैरेक्टर था वो कॉमेडियन था, बट ही वाज सो अनफनी दैट इट डिडंट प्रॉपर्ली मेक सेंस.
Dude, it was a joke. Funny नहीं था.
That equivalent in Ishq Vishk Rebound is Rohit Saraf's character Raghav. Raghav is supposed to be like a brilliant writer. उसने एक ऐसा play लिखा है which someone saw and then hired him for a Bollywood production. But this is the same man who says things like clarity का रास्ता confusion से होके निकलता है और writing like love is difficult. Listening to dialogues like this, that's what is difficult. Writing और love तो हम फिर भी संभाल लेंगे. Since Raghav is such an innovative writer, he writes a film based on his own life where he's stuck in a love triangle. I have never agreed with this kind of concept of love triangle. असली love triangle तो Challengers में था. But anyway, let's come back to the context that I'm providing. We find out that the one thing Raghav is very proud of is his parents' relationship. उसको लगता है कि उनकी marriage दुनिया की best marriage है and he's just grown up in this very healthy environment. पर उसको जो भगवान ने ये वरदान दिया है उससे ये सहन ही नहीं हो पा रहा and he really wants to live that child of divorced parents lifestyle that you see in Bollywood so often, so he goes and becomes very emotionally attached to his two best friends who are dating. The best friends in question are Sanya, played by Pashmina Roshan, and Sahir, played by Jibran Khan. Both of these people have one thing in common, और ये फिल्म के शब्द हैं मेरे नहीं. The thing that they have in common are daddy issues. Obviously a very stable kind of foundation for a relationship. Naturally not, उनका ब्रेकअप होता रहता है, वो अपना सारा दुखड़ा आके अपने एक कॉमन फ्रेंड को सुना देते हैं and then again they just wear like these very tacky t-shirts sometimes and patch up. Amidst all of this, Raghav also falls in love with someone, which is Riya, played by Naila Grewal. Riya's character is interesting. She has two whole shades. One is that she sells books and the other is that she loves the environment. This film believes in telling you everything as it is so that अगर आपको कुछ समझ ना आ रहा हो ना, ये लोग बिल्कुल ही ऐसा घोल के पिला देंगे आपको. Time for a pop quiz. One sec. If I had to ask you why this plate can't be used in a protest, what would your answer be? Your first option would be that it would break into 1,000 pieces. Your second one would be कि इस पे protest लिखा नहीं है. What would your answer be? If your answer is the second one, then you're right, and if it's the first, then you definitely can't be in the writer's team of a film like Ishq Vishk Rebound. If there's a book about Indian weddings, it will be called the Book on Indian Weddings. There is actually a sign in someone's house during an emotional moment that says something along the lines of "We are all suffering in silence." So you can really miss nothing in this film. How nice, how nice. जो वो mismatched वाला एक charm है रोहित सराफ का, they do try to kind of recreate it on screen and it happens. He proves in this film that he is an actor who can carry like a lead role on his back, especially on like the bada parda. Then there is Pashmina Roshan. This film ka trailer says that they're introducing Pashmina Roshan in this film. Okay. Her performance is inconsistent. कहीं कहीं आपको लगेगा कि okay, she's doing a great job, and in the next scene she doesn't. And then there's some points where you're kind of willing to write her off as an actor, but अगले ही scene में she does a great job. So maybe this is just something she needs to work on. Like there is a lot of potential, and that's the thing about this film. All of these actors do have potential, but since there's nothing backing them, क्योंकि script में ज़्यादा strength नहीं है, उनकी characterization में कोई ज़्यादा strength नहीं है, तो वो अकेले potential के साथ करेंगे भी क्या? There's also Jibran Khan, जो actual उनके funny kind of charming moments है वो अच्छे से perform कर लेते हैं. But when we actually have to see more depth, more angst in his character, there's some kind of problems start to emerge. But again, there's potential. All of this grace that I'm providing the cast in general sometimes gets thrown out when actors like Supriya Pilgaonkar are on screen. Supriya Pilgaonkar plays Sanya's mother. She's a single mother and there are moments where you're hoping that the film will become bigger than what it is. क्योंकि ये जो एक intergenerational bond है between a single mother and a woman who's kind of nursing a broken heart, there's so much to explore there. There's so much story that could be there, but it all gets squandered to just be tropey. कि साथ में बैठ के ड्रिंक्स लगा रहे हैं, मम्मी कूल हो गई, बेटी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया, फिनिश. Why will we actually give any of them any depth? At one point it becomes obvious कि ये फिल्म free fall में चल रही है. Like this one Halloween party that is set up for us to see the new budding romance that is happening between Rohit Saraf and Pashmina Roshan's character. But that Halloween party might be the worst party I have ever seen. अगर मैंने इसके लिए पैसे दिए होते, I would have left fighting. That being said, there are parts in this film that do work. कहीं कहीं पे थोड़े जो setups हैं, they do land. Rohit Saraf's comedic timing, even though very Fleabag inspired in the setup, does work because again, he's a good actor. कहीं कहीं पे the scenes will make you laugh unexpected because you have stopped expecting that from this film. This film is not a lost cause though. Ishq Vishk Rebound does have some charms. कहीं कहीं पे आपको फिल्म देखने में मजा भी आने लगता है. It's not really a film that you would want to walk out of the theaters of. It's just that the execution is so bad. There are parts where the film's design becomes very obvious. पता चल जाता है कि ये film making हो रही है. And for a film like this that is trying to be kind of meta and cool, that is not great. एक ही चीज चल जाती है इस फिल्म में भाई, वो है chemistry. All of the actors had to have chemistry with each other क्योंकि ये love triangle से quadrangle बन जाता है at some point, and they do. Even though I didn't see a lot of chemistry between Sania and Sahir as such, but वो ठीक है, I guess that's fine. Let go. The main chemistry that we have to see is between Raghav and Sanya, which does happen. दोनों बहुत ही comfortable लगते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ screen में, and I must kind of commend their ability to be able to laugh on screen क्योंकि बहुत लोग ये ठीक से कर नहीं पाते हैं. राघव और रिया की chemistry भी काफ़ी important है इस film में, and to be very honest, that also looks very good. उनका थोड़ा relationship is very rocky, but even then you kind of do believe कि okay, these two people would kind of be in a relationship with each other, and that's also because Saraf and Grewal are some of the more interesting performances in this film. The camera work feels very inconsistent, especially क्योंकि इतने सारे close-ups हैं इस फिल्म में, मुझे लग रहा था यहाँ से देख रहे हैं हम film, which feels very kind of disconcerting, especially in a genre like this. The music is good when the film is going on, but not really memorable. Like, ठीक है, it's a little foot tapping, but that's kind of it. You don't really take any of the music back home with you. And I know this feels kind of nitpicky or maybe it's not, but the costumes stand out and not in the best way. क्योंकि जो ये फिल्म है वो काफ़ी हद तक देहरादून में सेट है, पर देहरादून का वेदर इन तीनों कैरेक्टर्स के लिए अलग लगता है. There is no actual kind of common thread of the way these people are dressing. But okay, all of that rambling, all of that kind of thoughts and everything kept aside, last में एक छोटा सा cameo है शीबा चड्ढा का. And that's when you realize कि सिनेमा क्या होता है. You see her act for a few moments and you remember कि यही है. This is how an actor can elevate any script that is given to them. And that is when you feel a little bit of your Ishq Vishk for cinema come back. And that is why my rating for Ishq Vishk Rebound is 2 stars out of 5.